Hi, my name's Alyssa and I'm the Population Health Nutritionist from Southwestern Sydney Local Health District, Health Promotion Service. Welcome to week 5 of the Everyday Cooking program. Today we'll be making beef curry. You'll see just how easy it can be to cook up your own curry at home. Food from takeout stores are often high in kilojoules or calories, fat, sugars and salt. If you choose to eat takeaway, try and eat it only sometimes and in small amounts. Select healthy options when you can, such as salads, stir fries or grilled meat dishes. And if you're eating takeout more regularly, try to avoid foods that are fried, have a lot of cheese, like pizzas, or have creamy sauces like mayonnaise and some pastas. Now, let's get cooking. For today's recipe, we need 500 grams of lean beef mince, 1 tablespoon of canola oil, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, ground, half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, half a tablespoon of curry powder, 1 cup of reduced salt beef stock, 1 tin of crushed tomatoes, 400 grams, 2 carrots, 250 grams of pumpkin, 1 zucchini, and 5 cups of cooked long grain rice such as basmati rice. First, we need to prepare our ingredients. Begin by peeling and dicing the carrots. Then set them aside. Next, we need to peel and cube 250 grams of pumpkin. Then set this aside. Then lastly, dice the zucchini. And put this aside with our other prepared vegetables. Now to begin cooking, turn the pan on to a medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of canola oil, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Stir constantly until fragrant. Now add in 500 grams of lean beef mince. Stir the beef and cook until it's browned. Once browned, add in a tin of crushed tomatoes, the 2 diced carrots, the 250 grams of cubed pumpkin, and the 1 cup of reduced salt beef stock. Stir well and remove any beef or spices stuck to the bottom of the pan. Cover with a lid and simmer on low heat until the vegetables are cooked, or for around 10 minutes. Remove the lid and stir, checking to see if the vegetables are softening. If needed, replace the lid and cook for a further 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, add in the diced zucchini, stir, then cover with a lid and cook for a further 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. When cooked, give the dish a final stir and turn off the heat. The beef curry should smell fragrant and be ready to eat. Serve with steamed rice.